Hello everyone, welcome to Victory Monument in Bangkok, Thailand. Quite an amazing area this. It's kind of almost similar to Trafalgar Square in London. Apart from you've got this giant roundabout that goes round this monument. I'm not too sure what the monument's for. I think it's for their military accomplishments. Maybe. I'll put a little note over the video for what it's actually for, because I'm definitely probably wrong about that. But you've got the BTS station up there if you want to come here. It's called Victory Monument. And I've heard surrounding this whole roundabout is loads of great street food. So I'm going to go now, try some street food. It's so awkward on the camera, man. I don't think I'll ever get used to that. I did do something cool today though, in my little bag. Got some Marmite. I'm excited about that. Have a lot of this in Thailand. Don't want to smash me Marmite. A lot of this in Thailand, they have blind people. Oh, we're good, we're good. They have blind people who sing on the streets. I think in the UK, if you're blind or if you've got like a disability, the government will look after you. You know, you get your benefits and all that stuff, but here in Thailand you're kind of left to fend for yourself. So you see a lot more disabled people on the streets. It's kind of sad, you know, the government should really look after them. Right, let's go get some food, man. I'm excited about this. We've got Dunkin' Donuts here. Any Americans watching? We don't get that in the UK. Hey, look, that looks pretty good, the strawberry one. Maybe I'm not here for donuts, I'm after something a bit more savoury. Now this looks good. 5-star chicken, I know I've had that before. These chicken balls, I think it's these, they're absolutely amazing. Don't know how much they are. Let's go. Hello, Tolai cup, chicken ball. 20 baht, I'll have one please. Cup. 20 baht, it's not too bad.
ใส่น้ำจิ้มเลยไหม
พูดไทยนิดหน่อยครับ
น้ำจิ้มใส่เลยไหมคะ ใส่เลยไหม
Oh yeah, cup, yeah, I'll try with sauce. Lovely, thank you. Chicken balls. Man, these are so good. Now I've got to find somewhere to sit and eat. Let's go by the bus stop. It's going to be a bit weird. How do I record and eat at the same time? This is where I need Gib. When I go out with Gib, there you go, I've just put the camera on a box. Nope, that's not going to work. There we go, I got it, right. Put some sauce on this. I think it's like vinegar, Thai vinegar. And this cost me 20 baht for all this, which is amazing. Right, let's go for it. It's not vinegar. Oh my God. So good. I think it's like a sweet and sour flavour. Loads amazing. So busy up here, just hear police sirens 24/7. Right. I'm gonna finish this off camera and then go get some more food. Alright, we finished the chicken balls. My God, you can tell I've got a small stomach. It's filled me up. Don't know how much more I can eat, but we're going to keep trying. Bubble tea, Gib loves that stuff. It's not for me, that's a bit too sweet for me. This. Again, we're getting to all the sweet stuff here. Gib would love that. I might come back here later and buy one for Gib. I think she'll like that. Pom tam one year. Later, I come cup. My Thai's not very good. Loads of brownies. Yeah, I'm going to come back and buy Gib a brownie after. Sorry, a cheesecake. She loves cheesecake. That's quite a nice shirt for 190. That pink one, quite like that. Come on, but it hasn't got a colour. I like it with a bit more colour. Oh, we'll leave that, Maybe we need a nice drink. Okay, it seems I've tried everything in this one little part. We're now going to cross the road, hopefully, In fact, I think they got a skywalk. Yeah, instead of crossing the road here, you go over this skywalk here. And we're going to come on to the other side. Oh God, quite exciting, man. I like going to a new area. In my heart, all I want to do is go back home, buy some bread and try my Marmite. That's what I really want to do. But I'm glad to be out. Okay, doesn't seem to be much on this side. There's a bit down here. Let's have a look. I know for a fact, I used to live like 2 or 3 stops down that way on the left. And I used to come past here all the time on the BTS, and there's like a little river down there, so we're going to go check that out. This grapes. Again, I might get some of that. I don't want to be carrying around grapes all day, so I don't want to buy stuff that I'm going to be bringing home for me and give. Maybe I'll get some grapes later. 60 baht for a big bag of grapes seems pretty good. Oh my God. They look like donut things there. Oh, but this is closed. More bubble tea. 19 baht for a bubble tea seems pretty good. Yeah, I think we're going to go across the road one more time, and then what is going on here? This is the bus stop, so all the buses are coming here. Looks like they've got some Buddhist thing going on. Sawadee krap. Yeah, we're going to cross the road now, and then yeah, I think there's like a river down here. Little market. I'm kind of worried about how the camera's going to react. I love this camera, but I think it's getting quite old. This camera's like 6 years old now, and it's really good in the sun, but as soon as I go into low light, it goes really dark, which I've been noticing. Yeah, I don't think I need anything here really. Now that's cool. Motocross. Got some wellies. Belt. I needed a belt recently actually. I've already got one. Quite nice though, it's not too bad. Oh, it's another thing I love about Thailand is trees like this. Just think how old these trees are. And they even put little shrines there to like, I don't know what the material is they put around it, like what it represents, but it's got to be some Buddhist thing, like thanking the trees for just being there, which I feels pretty cool. Sawadee krap. Hello! Yeah, it's just mainly shoes down here.
Hi.
Hello! Sawadee krap. Good, good. Yeah, it's just shoes. Right, let's go across. More sirens. God, loud. I've heard more sirens here today than I have in the whole time I've been in Bangkok. Seems like this is a central hub, and all the emergency vehicles just come around here. Right, so we're going to make our way down there. I think that's where the river is. Okay, we're on the other side. So there's a lot more stuff here. Again, there's more stuff that I know I can't eat now, but I want to take home for Gib. So maybe a bit extra on the end of the video. Oh, strawberries, 60 baht, that's not too bad. 25 for the little cup. I miss strawberries, man. They're everywhere in the UK. Thailand, I've found strawberries are quite expensive. So I haven't had many strawberries lately. Right, hopefully, yeah, this is the little river area. Never been here before. Yeah, good. Yeah, here we go. So we've got, looks like we've got a little market down here, just crossing the little river. I don't think this is a very touristy area, so maybe we can get some really cheap food up here. See if we can get a meal for $1. Oh, this is it. I thought it went on further. My friends are sitting in there. I think we're going to try fancy boiled fish balls. Oh no, it's not called that. It's noodle soup with fish balls. Let's try that. Oh, we got it. It was hasib baht. 50 baht for one of these. I think that's just over £1. Don't know what that is in dollars. Right, let's go sit down. Let's come down and give me the menu. We've gone for that. Apparently they don't have fish balls, so I'm getting chicken balls with this, apparently. I don't know what's going on. But I've just seen the price. Everything's like 50 baht here. I could have gone with beef. I didn't get the beef because I thought beef was going to be quite expensive. But yeah, looks nice here. On the little river. That didn't take long to arrive at all. So here we go. So I think that's chicken balls, I think, with, these are like kind of like Doritos. I don't know what that is. And we got some noodles as well. Right, and we've got some stuff here. What should I have? I kind of want vinegar. I really like Thai vinegar. I don't know if this is vinegar. I don't want to get too much of that. It looks a bit manky. Okay, maybe a little bit more. Hopefully this is what I think it is. Otherwise, this might ruin the taste. Okay, cool. Yeah. Right. There we go. Get some chopsticks. 50 baht this cost me. So from memory, that's, I think £1 is 45 baht. I'll put it all below. Let's try one of these Doritos quick. They're not Doritos, by the way. I don't know why I called it that. Oh my god. Oh, that's really good. Kind of got it's not just fried. It's fried in some type of flavour, but I can't put my my finger on it. Let's try a chicken ball. Gorgeous. And we just mix it up. Let's see if this is really vinegar. Cheers, everybody. I don't think that's vinegar. Jesus. That's like some chili or something. Oh my god. For 50 baht, that is so good. Kind of awkward. The bloke who was just sitting next to me, he saw me with the camera. He's gone now. And I was like, oh, are you a YouTuber? And I was like, yeah, I'm a YouTuber. Very small, very small. And he gave me his phone and said, type in your channel. I typed it in. He saw it was like 300 subs. And he was like, oh, okay, that's good, good. So awkward, man. But anyway, this is amazing, man. I'm going to finish all of this. The soup, which I don't think I mentioned before, the soup is absolutely amazing. Beautiful meal for 50 baht. Thank you. Aroy ma. Very good. Kom kap. Kom kap. Keng ma. Very good. Oh my god. I'm a bit disappointed by this river thing. I've always seen this from a distance and I thought this went on for ages. It's just 2 restaurants at the end of this little river. But we are now about... Oh god, that's hard work, isn't it? Oh, should get out of his way. So we're now halfway round the roundabout. Seen some good stuff, a lot of stuff that I should have gone to, but I don't want to carry it for the rest of the night. But there's so much food stuff around here. God, I've eaten too fast, I can't talk properly. Oh. Okay, right, let's carry on round the roundabout. See if I can get some nice dessert or something. Actually, I don't want dessert, I want some more food. Let's get some more food. Looks like we've got a little shopping centre down here and all. Shopping Plaza. Let's have a look in here. Hopefully cameras allowed. They're normally a bit funny with cameras in places. Sorry, cup. Yeah, seems all good. Oh, this looks good. Oh, and it's air conditioned. Oh, it's so good. What I really could do with is a haircut. So if we see somewhere that does haircuts, maybe we get one. Watson's in Thailand. Watson's is like Boots for us, which they do have Boots here as well, but Watson's is their main one. Oh, sorry, Katoka. Bumped into someone. I actually really want to go to one of these like fake markets and buy some fake trainers at some point. So that's another video. I know there's one of the biggest fake markets in Thailand, so we might go there for one video. Oh, I've been after one of these. I wanted to see how much I weigh. It's $1. Okay, right, let's go for it. I was 79, I think, but I don't know if I should trust the scales I was on because they're broken. Right, I got $1. I got $1. Right, here we go. I'm standing on the scales. $1. Oh God, I'm scared about this. Check-in weight. Have I just been mugged off? I think I've been mugged off. Oh, for God's sake, I don't even know if I got another $1. Right, I got another 4. So let's see. Oh, there we go. Oh no, I put on weight. 82.1. Shit. I think that makes me a little bit obese because I am 5'11". So I think on the BMI, that's not good. And I put weight on before Christmas, but I did eat a lot of food. Right, maybe I'll cut that out of the video. Okay, I found somewhere to get my hair cut. I'm not going to record me going to the counter because that's a bit awkward, but maybe I'll record a little bit when I'm getting the hair cut. But I think we're going to go here. Right, this is before. I think I might have just got a really bad haircut. I mean, it wasn't good beforehand, so maybe it's not the end of the world. I think I've got a mullet. I asked her to shave the sides, number 1, a little bit number 2, a little bit on the top, and I could feel the back and it's still long. I don't know. If that makes any sense to you right now, what you're seeing. We'll have to assess the damage when I get back home. But it was cheap, 200 baht for that haircut. I gave her a 100 baht tip as well. I'm sure it's fine. I'm sure it's just not what I'm used to, but I'll get Gibbs' opinion when we get back home. Okay, so this is the last little part of the Victory Monument roundabout. I don't think I need any more food. I'm pretty full up at the moment, so this might be a little bit of a short. I don't even know what to call these type of videos. I think I'm going to call them. I kind of done one a bit ago when I went down that railway line. I'm calling it walking a straight line. See what you find. So it's just a random walking video. And I think we've come to the end of this. Can't call it walking a straight line when I went round a roundabout, but you know what I mean. It's just walk and go wherever it takes you. So I think that is it for today. So maybe a bit of a short one today. I don't know how long that's going to be, but thanks for watching. I'm going to go home, maybe get my hair cut again, see what the damage is, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching, everybody.